Hello there. Today we will be doing truck racing. Starting Thunder. What did you just say? We actually have a 4-race season here. I don't know you gotta say twice. We have 12 laps, 2 laps qualifying, and qualifying invisible. Obviously, though, the difficulty is going to be on insanely hard death ray mode. Insanely hard ultimate pain mode. I'm joking. I'm doing 90, which is hard. Rain 25% of the time, boost off, tire wear 2, available materials are terriers. What's a terrier? Isn't that like a type of dog? But yeah, so today we'll be doing our first 2 races. Okay, this is a wet track. Let me just Alright. Actually, no, I'm not allowed to restart. I'm gonna make a rule now. I'm not allowed to restart. I'm gonna restart unless I literally ruin the entire thing. Alright, we got some rain coming soon. This is certainly a good time. Alright, well this is certainly gonna be a much better time. Alright, 13.44. Hey, I mean at least you're not starting last. That's all that matters. Here you go. Yeah, we got 12 laps. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to change the tires. At least once. So here we go. This is certainly not gonna go too well. Just the fact that our car... Oh my gosh. Well, they went in so fast. And we go up and snatch 5th place. And here we go. We're coming out. And we managed to come out in a solid 14th. Not half bad. Alright, so yeah, so basically from this point on, we are probably just going to hold our tire change when the rain stops. But we also have no grip when it's raining, so yeah, that's not good. Oh my gosh. We are miserably slow. We still don't have any speed. Alright, bro. No. Alright, we're just going in. Soft tires. Oh, you have to be kidding me. You know what? No, we don't have time to change. Oh boy. This is going to be a complete blowout. This is a complete and utter loss. Well, our teammate is literally going to pass us this lap. There's no point in going into the pits. It's the last lap. Well, imagine that all the water dried up in one lap and then we just start winning. If only. If only. If only we were even competitive enough to try and hold on against these guys. Bro, they are flying past us. Alright, we got dead last. Not surprising. Now we're doing UK. We're gonna just try and have one good lap time. Oh my god, though, the rain started so soon. In fact, I don't really have much of a problem with the rain right now. You know, because it's literally just started. So hence, you know, we're still able to drive. Open the door. How does that time faster? Yeah, but, you know, we're still behind by, like, 3 seconds in qualifying. So here we go. We got 12 laps at the UK. Let's see if we can do... Whoa. This isn't even gonna... Well, we don't even stand a chance, I think. But, hey, no, we have a chance of getting out of dead last. Here we go. We're out of last. We're in 18th. Okay, make it 19th. We're still competitive. Well, keyword, we were before, like, our car just died. Alright, 17th, not half bad. 15th, no. But we are so, oh no. Alright. So, like, we legit need to get as far as we can in, like, the next turn. Because, like, literally everyone's going into the pits this round. No. Oh my god, no. This is a complete blowout. No, they just completely ran us over all because I missed the pit. No. Alright, you know what? We could still get this. We can still get 19th. We're still gonna get 19th. Alright. I decided to do these slightly longer races, you know, so that, like, we have more time to, like, you know, like, more content in the races. But, yeah, at this point, there's, like, literally just, like, no action. Here we go. Man, we are third in a rudder here. We're not even competitive at all. Bro, Bolt Racing is flying past us on the outside in the turns. Literally, they're flying by us. Well, Energy Racing is actually not that much faster than us. Is 90 difficulty not enough? No, it's certainly enough. Alright, at this point, I feel as if there's not enough water to really make it worth going. No, just not, just... Alright, yeah, bro. You know what, next lap we go. Bro, easy. Alright, so remember, this is your last lap, and if only I didn't get shoved by Mr. I need all the tracks a lot. So yes, we are in dead last again, and we need to somehow, keyword somehow, catch up to the other cars. Luckily, we are a very fast man because we have better tires. And also just the fact that our car is slow, like slower than slow. Like we are a solid 7 seconds behind. Now, how did Eden Hans have 18? How are you tied for 7? I'm not even gonna ask. So we have completely different. We are literally behind by 5 points, and we are in one of the slowest cars. So obviously, this is Germany, the second to last track of the season. At this point, we're not even trying to get our team's goal. We know we can't do it. No. Alright, no, the first time was absolutely horrible, so let's see if we can do better than absolutely horrible. The answer is no. No, we have no power on this car. This car has like a tin can for its engine. Like I said, tin can for its engine. How are we only a second? How are we only 1.35 seconds behind? That's surprising. I mean, like, it's surprising how we did so good. You know, normally we're behind by like 3 or 5 seconds. But nope. All right. Well, like always, we're gonna start off good, and then we're gonna blow it in the middle of the race, and then at the end we're gonna dead last. Watch, it's gonna happen again. I'm gonna get too overconfident. It just happens. But hey, no, I mean, like, though we have to like slow down the turn. So that is cap. How did Stark Racing just get that much faster? How is my teammate faster than me? Well, I mean, like, my teammate's faster than me. It's my fault for putting on hard mode. But then again, hard mode is usually too easy for me. Like 80, like I normally do like 75 or 80, and like I still do good normally. But then again, that's because I have a much better car. Also, my teammate just completely died. Never mind, my teammate came back from it. But yeah, we also got to lap 5 without being a dead man, so that's surprising. It's a first. I think I've never made it to lap 5 without being in like last. How bad am I when I'm on camera? When I'm on camera, I do good. When I'm on camera, I'm horrible. Well, you know, also because the fact that these races are much longer than the ones that I normally do, so it gives me more time to screw up. And also, yes, we kind of need to get in here. If only my car would not be a pain. So yes, we're halfway in. We decided to go into the pits for some reason, because I have no life. So yes, now we have much better tires. Now we'll perform better for a few laps compared to these guys. But legit. I feel like this is a bad thing in the short term, but yeah, but in the long run... But look at this dude. Easy pass. Well, imagine if I try and... Oh my god, he shoved me into the wall. And right on his outside. I mean, inside. That's not his outside. The wall's over there, not... Ooh, easy pass. Here we go. Lap 10. No, legit, their tires are so much worse than ours. Such a good decision. For once, we're not going to get last. We're actually going to have points on the board. I say that now, and then I'm going to wind up completely blowing it in the last lap somehow. Just somehow it's going to happen. But also, we got into 14th. Well, we're in 13th right now. How is this happening? Best race of the season, question mark? Probably. Oh my gosh, can we get top 10? Is it possible? Ooh, ninth! Ninth place finish. Look at that. 11 points on the board. Look at it in all its glory. 11th. Well, we legit did better than D. Ryan and E. DuPont and S. Garcia. Well, we should be in like 17th. But, oh wait, we are in 17th on point standings. But at least we got 11 points, so now we're in 17th, so now we're not a failure. Wait a minute, we're still a failure. I need to get to 16th. Or 16th or higher in the next race. Let's be honest, the races take like 4 to 5 minutes, which I honestly don't think is very long. You know, Komodo, you need to be a little quieter. So this is our final race of the season. Race of season 1. Do you think I should make the races longer? I think maybe 20 laps would be good. Or do you think I should make it shorter, like 10 or 8 laps? Comment down below if you think the race should be longer. Which is season 2. Actually, I'll just make a community post about it. Hey guys, should I do 8 laps, 12 laps, 16 laps, or 20 laps? Those are the options. Once again, we still qualify last because apparently we're not good. Well, we're certainly gonna have to switch to soft, which is good. It means that, you know, we get to go into the mid-race and we wind up getting the chance to... Alright, we're not in last, which is good. But, yeah, all the other cars are going away. No, and then last! Hey, we're not last. This guy's trying to push me out of his way. Oh, no, you don't. That is so gonna backfire. Yeah, we're legit miles behind these people. And we're going in, and well, we just sped in. And bro, we just passed 3 cars in the pits. Oh my gosh, going into the dirt for a second literally ruined my chance to get 16th. Whoa, what? How is a blue star car faster than me? No. You seriously just like can't afford to do that. Alright, that's it. We're going all out here. And he's oh no! Alright, so, as you can see, we have done fairly poorly. Luckily, all the other cars should soon begin to run out of juice. Of juice to turn with. And so, ooh! In fact, I don't even think we need to go into the... Okay, oh, you know what? They're sliding. They're sliding. They're starting to slide a little more. Oh, well, the last place guy just barely passed me. But now, we're going to pass him. This turn, watch this. Easy. But still, these guys might be faster. Literally everywhere else on the track, but on the turns is where we have our advantage. Alright, yeah, we got 19th. Yeah, we failed. We got 17th. Our objective was 16th.
Why shop during the March Savings Marathon at Paramus Hyundai? Because all month long, we're saving you big. Don't miss special.
Alright. Maybe we can get thunder. So I'll see you guys next episode.